You are now watching the live streaming of Perfect Power. This is Eric from Perfect Power Welder. And for today's live stream, we're going to introduce a full range the welding machines and the plasma cutters. My colleague Winnie just shared the hey friends, you are now watching to the welcome. You are now watching the Perfect Power's live streaming. So we just are now sharing the welding machines of MA. And the two models we just shared is MA200M and MA200CS. Both models now it's on sale. You can get a big discount during the live streaming. So the next one I'm going to show you is a smart, intelligent MA welding machine, the ARC-200D. Okay, just wait a second. Yeah. For the ARC-200D, which is a MA welding machine with MA and elliptic function, the synergic function will make it smart. Hi friends, welcome. Yeah, you are now watching the live streaming of Perfect Power. We're talking about the ARC-200D. Okay, so let's just have a look at the video to get an idea of this model first. Let's just wait a second. So we are now talking about the MA welding machine, and the welding current from us can current from the 120 to 200. Okay, so you are now watching the video. Hi, welcome. So you are now watching the ARC-200D. Yeah, this model here is an MA welding machine. It is the middle line product. So we will see it both with the TIG, elliptic, and the MA function. Yeah, the smart function makes it when you choose the size of the electrode, the welding current will match automatically, which will make your welding job easier. You do not have to spend much more time on the parameter setting. So you are now seeing the welding demonstration of MA welding by the ARC-200D. See the so friends, if you also have special request of the MA welding machines, or if you are any models you want to know, just leave a message to us. We'll share from our product now. But also where can you have any questions or your request of the products you are looking for. Or you can also share that the MA welding machine you think is better to you. Okay, so let's back to the machine. For all the DIY tools, we know it's portable items. It's easy to move, and it works with a single phase 220 watts. For what you care about is different welding current, which can shoot for different electrode size. For this model, which with maximum welding current 200 amps. Hi, dear friends, welcome. So we're talking about the ARC-200D, which can weld the electrode size 5.0 millimeters. And we also have a full range from this one is from 120 amps, 140 amps, 160 amps, 180 amps, and 200 amps. And now this model is also on sale. Hi, welcome our new friends. And this model is with the CE certification if you are a customer from the area which requires a CE certification. So that's the right choice. Then we also can add the EMC circuit. And for customer who from American area who requires the input power single phase 110 watts, this machine can actually match your request. So what's more about this? from what I'm holding now, you can see it with IGBT inverter technology, and this MMA welding machine and can also do the lifting function, and it's a smart digital display. Okay, with the multiple digital display, we just see when you choose different electrode size, the welding current will match other. Hi, welcome new friends. So the ARC-MA is with a smart digital display, and what makes your welding job easy is a synergic function. When you choose the size of the electrode, and the welding current will match automatically. And also, just mentioned as a DIY tool, it is portable and easy to carry out for you to do the welding job everywhere. And also here I would mention the features that the arc force, hot star, and anti-stick are all adjustable for this machine. So if you are looking at fashion or the middle line MA welding machines, so I'm strongly recommend to consider about this range. So remember, we have different output welding current for this range. So please remember, it's on sale. It's on big sale. You can get the coupon and you can get a special discount only during the live streaming. Friends, do not miss this chance to get this smart ARC-200D during the live show. Remember, it's on big sale only on today's live streaming, dear friends. So if you want to get more about it, just leave a message. We are now move to the next model. So if you want to get to know, hey friends, we're not talking about the item which is on sale with big discount during the live streaming, the ARC-200D. And now I'm going to move to the next model. So if you are want to know more, just leave a message or send your email. So remember, you can also get more details from our official website www.perfectwelders.com. Okay, so